1,000 anxieties. I sought the Lord, and he heard me, and delivered me from all my fears. Psalm chapter 34 verse 4. Man has always been beset by worry, and the pressures of modern life have aggravated the problem. To men of all time Jesus said, "Take therefore no thought for the morrow, but seek ye first the kingdom of God, and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." Matthew 6:33-34. Many of you are filled with 1,000 anxieties. Bring them to Jesus Christ by faith. He will bring peace to your soul and your mind. Prayer for the day. Knowing you hear me, Lord, as I talk with you brings me peace in the midst of any storm.